Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Langlade Guide. Today, let's discuss some important MCQs on the topic Function of Education. Consider sharing this video with your friends and subscribing if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's go on to the MCQs. Question number 1. Who is the author of the essay The Function of Education? Options are A. Jiddu Krishnamurthy, B. Jittu Krishnamurthy, C. Jiddu Krishnaswamy, or D. Jiddu Kumaraswamy. The correct option is A. Jiddu Krishnamurthy. Question number 2. Jiddu Krishnamurthy was born in dash dash India. Options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, or D. Karnataka. The correct option is B. Andhra Pradesh. Question number 3. What is the lifespan of Jiddu Krishnamurthy? Options are A. 1880 to 1975, B. 1890 to 1980, C. 1795 to 1886, or D. 1895 to 1986. The correct option is D. 1895 to 1986. Question number 4. Jiddu Krishnamurthy was influenced by the dash dash movement. Options are A. Aesthetic, B. Theosophist, C. Quit India, or D. Adult literacy. The correct option is B. Theosophist. Question number 5. Who was the mentor of Jiddu Krishnamurthy? Options are A. Savitribai Phule, B. Sindhutai Sapkar, C. Sarojini Naidu, or D. Annie Besant. The correct option is D. Annie Besant. Question number 6. According to Jiddu Krishnamurthy, why do we go to school? Options are A. Get good marks, B. Get job, C. Understand life, or D. Get degree. The correct option is C. Understand life. Question number 7. According to Jiddu Krishnamurthy, what would happen if we merely prepare ourselves to earn a livelihood? Options are A. Miss the point of life, B. Become rich, C. Settle in foreign, or D. Buy property. The correct option is A. Miss the point of life. Question number 8. What does Jiddu Krishnamurthy define as intelligence? Options are A. Powerful, B. Beautiful, C. Fearless, or D. Fearful. The correct option is C. Fearless. Question number 9. According to Jiddu Krishnamurthy, whether you are a student or a teacher, what is important to ask oneself? Options are A. Whom to educate, B. Where to educate, C. What to educate, or D. Why to educate. The correct option is D. Why to educate. Question number 10. What will happen when you grow up? In all likelihood, according to the author. Options are A. Develop, B. Wither away, C. Flourish, or D. Prosper. The correct option is B. Wither away. Question number 11. What is the central idea of the essay The Function of Education? Options are A. Define religion, B. Define education and life, C. Define examination, or D. Define roles of universities. The correct option is B. Define education and life. Question number 12. To whom the function of education is addressed? Options are A. Government, B. Students, parents and teachers, C. Ministry of Education, or D. Poets and authors. The correct option is B. Students, parents and teachers. Question number 13. According to the author, a safe and easy way of existing is to follow teachers, parents and dash dash. Options are A. Writer, B. Books, C. Society, or D. Law. Correct option is C. Society. Question number 14. Which of the following is incorrect in regards with the essay Function of Education? Options are A. Life is wide and profound, B. Life is ugly, C. Life is a great mystery, or D. Life is the poor and the rich. The correct option is B. Life is ugly. Question number 15. Education has no meaning unless it helps to understand the vast expanse of dash dash. Options are A. Offline examination, B. Online examination, C. Lectures, or D. Life. The correct option is D. Life. Question number 16. Any form of dash dash breeds anxiety and fear. The options are A. Loyalty, B. Bravery, C. Victory, or D. Ambition. The correct option is D. Ambition. Question number 17. Ambition does not help to become dash dash. Options are A. Kind, B. Pure, C. Intelligent, or D. Spiritual. The correct option is C. Intelligent. Question number 18. What, according to Jiddu Krishnamurti, is very important at young age? Options are A. Marriage, B. Fear-free environment, C. Exercise, or D. Money. The correct option is B. Fear-free environment. Question number 19. Dash dash is important to understand the whole process of living. Options are A. Freedom, B. Kingdom, C. Wisdom, or D. Boredom. The correct option is A. Freedom. Question number 20. According to Jiddu Krishnamurti, dash dash is education. Options are A. To recite, B. To read and write, C. To imitate, or D. To discover. The correct option is D. To discover. Question number 21. According to Jiddu Krishnamurti, to live is to dash dash. Options are A. Earn knowledge, B. Earn degree, C. Earn property, or D. Find out truth. The correct option is D. Find out truth. Question number 22. According to Jiddu Krishnamurti, the world is caught up in endless dash dash. Options are A. Struggle, B. Ambition, C. Wars, or D. Love. The correct option is C. Wars. Question number 23. Who did guide endless wars? Options are A. Writers, B. Teachers, C. Politicians, or D. Soldiers. The correct option is C. Politicians. Question number 24. Why did lawyers, policemen, soldiers, and men and women fight? Options are A. To get position, B. To get victory, C. To become successful, or D. To become rich. The correct option is A. To get position. Question number 25. Who wants power or positions here or in next life? Options are A. Politicians and soldiers, B. Saints and gurus, C. Lawyers and judges, or D. Politicians and lawyers. The correct option is B. Saints and gurus. Question number 26. Who is fighting against the communist and capitalist? Options are A. Soldiers, B. Socialists, C. Politicians, or D. Specialist. The correct option is B. Socialist. Question number 27. Why everybody does fight against somebody? Options are A. Get favor, B. Get mercy, C. Get married, or D. Get safe position or comfort. The correct option is D. Get safe position or comfort. Question number 28. The world is torn by conflicting beliefs by dash dash and class distinctions. Options are A. Creed, B. Race, C. Caste, or D. Caste. The correct option is C. Caste. Question number 29. Why do we need freedom? Options are A. To create a new world, B. To follow social pattern, C. To create a new world, or D. To fight enemy. The correct option is A. To create a new world. Question number 30. What do you mean by eradicate? Options are A. Destroy partly, B. Destroy completely, C. Disturb completely, or D. Demand of war. The correct option is B. Destroy completely. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.